Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a custom keyboard in all whites. This is the first mechanical keyboard video. I hope I will make more soon. I have another custom keyboard build coming up for one of my friends, so stick around if you want to see that. This is the GK61X 60% hot swappable keyboard. The switches is Gateron yellows, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0. Now I'm first gonna disassemble the whole keyboard. And then put the stabilizers to the side so I can mod them in just a bit. Now I'm first gonna clean off the factory lube. Now I'm gonna try something I found on Reddit. So apparently you can use the glass on the back of your phone. You just have to listen for a pinging sound when you touch one of the sides. By using this method you can find out if your stabilizers are even or not. And if you find out that they are uneven, you can just bend them back. Okay, so now we have to lube the stabilizers. I am using the types method. It's down in the description, so if you want to try it out for yourself, you can check it out there. Okay, so now it's time to lube the switches. So first of all, let's just start by opening the switch up and disassembling all the switches. I like to use these little baggies to hold all the different components of the switch. It also makes it quite easy to back lube the switches. Okay, so once again I'm using the types method, and of course it's also in the description down below. And of course now we just have to repeat that a bunch more times. And now we just have to reassemble the keyboard by putting in the switches and the stabilizers and adding in some foam to dampen the hollowness in the case. And now the only thing left is adding the keycaps. The keycaps I'm using here in this build is the DSA PBT keycaps from KBDFans, which I have also linked in the description below. And finally, we're done with the build. So now let's have a sound test. So yeah, I'm very happy with how this build turned out, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So please smash the like button and subscribe if you like this, and remember, all the links is in the description.